Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hey guys, so welcome back to the Island family. It's your girl Maria. Behind the camera you got Babes, provider, provider now, and little island boy here in the back.
Hi Bobo.
So guys, last night, just real quick recap, really good, super tired still, but we had a really good time. Got home at like 1 in the morning. So right now we're going to Parklea Markets. Parklea Markets is a really big marketplace. They sell clothes, food, vegetables, fish, you name it, all of that. And we're going to show you guys what Sydney has to offer in regards to this big Parklea Markets. It's quite well known. So guys, come and join us. Let's do this.
And so here guys at the garden section, massive, so many different flowers, beautiful,
plants and things,
everything, guava trees, everything. Lemon, everything.
Passion fruit down there.
This is a big market as far as I can see.
Apple tree.
What's that? Grafted?
They're nice. Tomatoes. Sorbet. Different varieties. They got so many plants like camellias, you name it, everything. We'll go inside and check out the market, guys. They say that this tastes like callaloo, kale, or spinach. Spinach. Oh, look guys, raspberries.
Wow. We have everything, man.
Over here on oregano. Look, those grapes.
Grape trees. If we're in Casino, I would definitely get one of them.
Yeah, would get like so much.
Yeah.
Oh wow, babe, look like peanut.
What?
But it's cherry guava.
Cherry guava. That look similar to what we call rose apple in Jamaica.
Really?
It looks like what we call rose apple for some reason.
And there's another plant called this here, look. Feijoa. Anybody can see that, guys? I can't pronounce it. Feijoa.
Now we're inside.
We're inside, guys.
Look how massive this place is.
Look at these ones, guys.
Which one?
You guys have these in Jamaica?
Yeah, we actually do.
And these ones too?
Yeah. Lots of these are familiar from back home.
Island?
Even that over there. Yeah.
Island? Wait.
Wow. This is massive. Island boy?
Beautiful, all these pot plants and stuff.
Yeah. Just a pity we have to take a plane. We could definitely get
have
some.
To drive up.
Yeah, for real. Alright.
Drive down.
Yeah, true.
I want this.
Massive.
Nice plant.
Look at these. As far as the eyes can see, so many different pots for plants. Yeah, look at these. Put these at the front of your house, guys. Lion. Panda. Yeah. Gorilla.
That babe, like track pants and that 2 for 35.
Oh yeah.
I got real special and stuff. That one says full cake, not small cake.
Spot the
So,
Bob
like,
Marley.
So basically
painting,
it's
yeah.
all, guys, it's all like Asian, like made, but it's like, you know, like your branded stuff.
Yeah.
Balenciaga and all that kind of stuff you like.
Yeah.
Like that. Calvin Klein, you know.
See the legend there, guys.
Oh wow, that's like drawing.
This place is massive. So all of these places they would have rented these sections.
Yeah, sections, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, Island, we go now, Babo. Oh look there, they got the beans and stuff.
Yeah.
Sure.
All the wigs.
For the girls then.
Yeah. Yeah, like that girl them, you know.
Look. Look, Babo, look. You want to try? Look. Look at this. You want this? Yeah? Alright. Go pie for it. I'm gonna buy him this, guys. His grandma gave him a birthday present, money, so he's gonna buy. Hang on, Island, we have to pay for it.
Bobo. Pay for it?
We have to pay for it, Bob. Your mummy hold? Okay, mummy hold it. Alright.
You want it now?
Thank you. Alright, come on, let's go. Hold it, Bobo. Island, you have to wait for mum. What did I say?
Island. Look at the rodents. Island. You're not waiting on mom?
Hold him here.
Yeah.
Come on. Food. Yummy. You want mommy to hold this? No? No? Okay. Look, Island. That's his friend, the frog. Huh? Look, the frog.
Oh, wow.
Look here. Look.
Island, look. Scared?
Come on, Baba. Let's go.
Nice, it's come with the box like this, not scary.
He's scared. Alright, let's go.
Oh, yeah, guys, look. So you're going to tell me how
Island.
this looks?
Come.
I've never put one of these on, guys. This is my
Island,
first
get out the
time.
way. Sun right here.
Take your hair down. Oh, wait, you're going to do this. Oh my gosh, you're going to do this.
So these are for trying?
Oh, I don't know. I'm just going to try.
Oh.
Alright, guys. You're going to tell me what it looks like. Okay, what's Island's going to do?
Oh my god.
Island.
Island. Who's that?
No?
No? He said no.
Mum, dear. So we reckon.
Yeah, they have so many. All different colors and styles. Oh my god. Nah. I don't approve.
Okay, how about this one, guys? You might like this one. This one's a good thing.
No way, I don't approve. Alright, Bobo, let's go.
I think that's enough for weekday today.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, my hair mash up now.
This place, yeah, every different section. You have the food section, the fruit, everything. Yeah, wow. This place is no joke, man. So you used to come here a lot?
Yeah, when I lived in Sydney, every weekend we come here.
Okay.
Mostly every weekend.
So is it a case where...
Island, wait.
Is it a case where things are much cheaper here?
Yeah,
okay.
cheaper. Yeah, very cheaper pricing and things.
Oh, it's like the hub.
Yeah, you can get corn here, guys. Hub of corn if you want. Island, you want donuts? Yummy cookies? Oh, back in 10 minutes. Oh, they'll come back. Come this way, Island. I want to go into the fruit and veggie place. Get fruit and veg. Come on. Got a little trolley for him, guys.
Yeah,
you can sit in here.
Yeah, you can.
You want to sit up here?
I think it's the best side.
Okay.
Right. Good, Bobo?
Alright, let's go. My hair's a mess though. Can I do my hair up? After trying those wigs, my hair's all messy.
Yeah. What's this, baby? It's like a cucumber?
Ginger. Oh, that long, yeah, melon.
Melon?
Melon.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but
does it have like the red color?
I'm not sure, babe.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. It could be a thing like where they, salads, maybe? These ones? They look alright?
Yeah, they look alright.
Or would you say the more brownie ones? We don't know. Let Dad choose it, you choose it. Here.
I think you actually choose a good one. Yeah, it's a good one.
That one?
Yeah.
Alright, so then we'll get
In Jamaica we call this White House banana or frog,
so then I think
or
you
frog
just take
banana.
it to... I'll go. You wait here with Bobo.
Okay.
I'll go.
Pork there, guys. $5.99 kg. Guys, they even have chicken foot right there. See me?
Then we come to the fish market. Lamb, liver, hearts,
Oh, yeah.
beef, lung, liver. Mangoes. Mangoes are in season.
Oh, these fish tailor.
Taylor.
Flour in there. What kind of shark? Oh, wow. Flathead, brim. Look, they even have tuna.
Bonito.
Yeah, a bonito. Yeah.
Wow, if I here could take all that.
Yeah. Look at this fish. What's it called? Here. What's that?
Fairy tale.
Here it.
Wow, I've never seen that.
Yeah, it's flat. It looks like a machine.
Looks diamond pink.
Yeah.
You want to cut it or finish?
Oh, we have this in Jamaica, babe. We call them balawo in Jamaica.
Wow.
They use them a lot to catch marlin as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mackerel.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's a fish here.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And we have these in Jamaica as well. Jack.
Really?
Yeah.
What about these ones here?
Yeah, what kind of fish? It's a gargoyle. So
Cut that one out, that guy was rude.
Mullet, not really a big fan.
Whitening?
Yeah.
So go to the window and start off with a lobster and go down with octopus.
Got this, what's that, catfish?
Catfish, yeah. Oh, what's that?
Oh, squid.
Oh, they don't even clean that.
These are the shark fin. Oh, ray. These are
Look at the lobsters and that there.
and they have cane here, guys. Gonna have some sugar cane juice. I haven't had cane in ages.
Can I get what are the sizes for a sugar cane? These are the sizes. A large, thank you. Large, yeah. Do you want a ginger?
Yeah,
Mint?
yeah.
Ginger, yeah.
Some ice?
What was that?
Ice?
Ice, a little bit, yeah. Thank you. Is that the way they do it, the processing?
Yeah. Oh, that's how they do it. Oh, they shoot the whole thing through and it just comes out there.
Nice.
Cane juice.
Let's try it, guys. Ready?
Yeah. It's very sweet.
Wow.
It's very sweet.
Nice, guys.
It's good. Has ginger in it. Really
Yeah.
good.
Do you want 50 cents? Ooh, that feels nice.
Yeah, so that's called a croissant.
A croissant, guys. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
They have jackfruit right there, guys.
So grab it. The line's not that big. We'll come back around. Sheepskin.
Wow. These are all real kangaroo and sheep. Mm-hmm.
You want to be a cowboy?
Nah.
I'll show the people them.
Too small for you. I have to buy
Look.
it outside.
Huh? Too small?
Small.
Right,
Guys, righty, mate.
How big is these up here? Literally, babe, I've never seen them this big. Guys, these sizes are gigantic. What? What kind of boot sign are them there?
I don't know, but have a little jackfruit over here.
Jackfruit?
Guava.
Oh yeah, passion fruit. Yeah, custard apple. $7.
Mango.
Yeah,
Take some.
mango.
Cooking mango.
What? Cooking mango? Seen that? I'm guessing they make like the curry and all of that. Because I realize Indian use mango in their curry. Yeah. What? Jackfruit? Jackfruit this small?
Cooking jackfruit.
You know, I've never seen jackfruit this small that's ripened. Is this like a different type of jackfruit or what? Oh, cooking jackfruit. So I guess they use them this young to cook. Yeah, I'm not familiar with that. Oh, I'm not familiar with that.
No, neither am I.
Plantain bananas.
Raw coconut.
Don't even know if I
$2
should trust these coconut
No, that's good.
after what we've been through with coconut here. Bought a few coconuts and none of them were good. What is this called, babe?
Samosas.
Yeah.
Indian samosas.
Okay. Can I try it? Island? It's nice.
Green.
There's a little spice to it.
Hi. Wow, guys, look.
Look at all the birds.
Look at it.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Mini lap rabbits.
Can we take them with us? On the plane?
It's
We can take one.
don't know. Oh, it's so beautiful. Like a bubble? Yeah, bird. Beautiful birds.
You see the rabbits?
Mm-hmm.
Nice, Bubba.
This place is massive.
Massive guys.
Yeah.
With the remote cars.
Oh. Can find any and everything here.
Everything.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at the sounds of these.
Hey? Yeah. Oh, that one is nice. Yeah. Yeah, they are hard to push, hard to steer. So what are these? Oh, they have beautiful scent.
Smell.
Yeah,
We need one of those in home.
it smells really good.
We'll have to come with our car.
Yeah. Oh, there's some of the same things here.
Yeah.
Very
There's
nice.
a monkey
Yeah.
style.
Oh, these little things are
I should
beautiful.
get you one of those.
What? King Dad.
You're
Yeah.
bloody awesome.
Look at this gorilla. What the hell? What a gorilla.
Well, this one,
I
this
sure.
guys for Father's Day.
Yeah. Look at this gorilla, guys. Freaking showing middle finger.
Oh my god. Oh, this one, guys, for all the ganja sneaky smokers, storage stash it.
Yep.
Dr. Kush.
Cool, man.
Waiting there. Or maybe this one. Oh my gosh.
Wake up. What's that? Wake up.
Oh, it's that. Oh.
Wake up,
I
big.
didn't know. I thought it was a coffee cup.
Yeah, actually, it's like that too.
It is a coffee cup. Yeah, it is. And some. Oh, so you can. And something else.
Yeah.
Oh, my first thought.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice stuff.
well, there you
Oh, I
go.
got even this gorilla. I didn't even see this one. It's hanging there.
Guys, and you look, you've got a novelty card game for the ones that are big on the weed.
Yeah. This it there.
Think like a stoner,
Yeah.
not a dunce.
True.
Oh wow, look at the designs on those.
Those little drums. And look at the clocks and everything.
Oh, I like those sunglasses. Aren't they wicked? Hang on. Peace, guys.
Yeah.
It's your girl.
They're big. They're
I know,
huge.
they're massive. Wow, look at that.
Wow. Man. You can get your artwork on a piece of wood. Sick.
Oh my god, come here.
That smells good.
These are all like imitation ones. I would buy the real stuff. Sorry guys, I'm a real person, perfume girl.
Yeah.
I don't know how to love that.
The 21st. Yeah. Wow. All the glass. Yeah. All the bags, wallets, everything you can think of. Where? Oh, Bob Marley. Mad. Yeah. Like the styles. Yeah, man. Can't find any and everything here. From your food to your clothes to your, you know, your household stuff. Mad. Yeah. Mad.
You want please?
I'm good.
Island? Stop.
That sound.
The antique chairs.
Yeah.
Those are real leather bags.
I can tell, man.
All of them.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I want these chairs. Oh, look at this.
Nice. Yeah, man. I like it. Where that sound coming from?
Oh, she reads some tarot cards.
Oh.
You want to have a look? You want to
I'm good.
go?
I'm good.
Wow, they look like Adekunde Gold was wearing those black leather jackets.
Yeah, those similar ones.
Yeah. Go have a look.
It's all leather. And would these be real, you say?
Yeah, made in New Zealand.
Yeah.
That one, the red one's made in New Zealand.
Wow.
You like them?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah. They're nice.
What do you reckon, guys?
See them have some Rizla, yeah? Raw. Everything for the weed smoker them. Yeah, look at that ship there, guys. You know, like the whole pirate kind of ships. Yeah, that's mad.
Thank you. Tap, thanks.
2 shirt for Island.
For Ireland. Digi boss and Digi Ladiji.
Guys, you can even get your contact lens. All different colors and style.
Style.
Not my thing.
Bob Marley straight up.
You see Bob Marley? Oh, all the way. Bob Marley down there. I don't think we walk through here. It doesn't look familiar now.
No, it doesn't look familiar at all.
Yeah, this place is just.
I love it.
This place is just.
I even want that on our wall.
That
girl with
African
the-
one. Yeah, it's sick. That's crazy. A friend with weed is a friend indeed. That's funny. Wow. Yeah, that one.
Lion
Yeah,
for me and Bobo.
man.
Because we're both lion people.
Yeah.
Hey, Island boy.
At first we thought we did walk through here, guys, but
Wonky.
yeah, this place is just massive. We couldn't even do all of it. But
Hey,
we're just gonna leave anyway.
here. Yeah, guys.
Oh, we did walk around that way, but we never come this side. Yeah,
Oh, look at those shoes though.
yeah.
Oh, I like those glasses.
How much is it?
I don't know. She asked them. Guess I look like a fly.
Yeah.
How much are they? 350.
Oh, yeah, they look nice.
Oh, there you go.
Nice
What do you
ones.
reckon, guys? Is it a win or a lose?
Yeah. Looks like it suits your face, I would say. Yeah.
Interesting. A little bit pricey though, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna try drinking coconut.
Yeah. Look how they package them. So decorated. Look at what they're in.
Are they nice and cold? Somewhat cold.
So that's how they do them. Just bore a hole in it.
They're from Thailand, guys. They're not from Samoa. The
Yeah.
last one we got was shocking.
Yeah.
Just saying.
That's crazy.
Yay! Drinking coconut. Nothing like the fresh ones that come off the tree in Jamaica.
Yeah. Jamaica, we would say
It
jelly.
worth though. Jelly.
Yeah.
You want one, babes, or we share one?
Share one.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Good one, eh? Good one. You have to show up. Alright.
So they do.
And it's got the jelly inside?
Yeah, it's got fresh.
Alright, cool.
It's one pierce. Let's pierce it once.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
That's an easy thing to have, isn't
Yeah.
it? Island, you want some coconut?
Hi, Bobo. Oh, look at your mouth. Full. Yeah?
Guys, here we go.
Oh, that's it. They just bore the hole and put the straw in. That's mad. Is it sweet?
Wow. Nice. Not too sweet,
Yeah.
but nice. It's been a while, babe. Shell it down.
It's good. You can tell it's not as fresh as like when it just come off the tree. It's like you can tell they have it for days.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know the difference.
It's nice. Island?
You want coconut, Bobo?
Dang, dang.
You had coconut in Jamaica before? Doesn't want it. Oh, he's stretching now.
Water.
He's drinking. Nice.
Nice? Yeah. Nice, Bobo?
Enjoy.
Yeah, I like it. Daddy can open it up and Daddy can open it up and we can eat the gel.
Yeah. So guys, we're back outside of the market. As you guys can see.
It was a long day already and we only got here at like 11. So we've been here for about over an hour.
Yeah. And the market is massive. We didn't do all like heavy creases, what's it called? Cribbies and corners, isn't it? Yeah, so
I don't know, I was like going, what's he gonna say next?
yeah.
No, guys, it was amazing, but
Yeah.
it definitely, you need good walking shoes and you need to just, you know, have a good time, eat, try different foods like we did. You know, we didn't get a lot of things because remember, we're gonna go back home tomorrow and we can't really take too much because everything's weighed for anyway.
Exactly.
So we just gotta take it as it goes, and now I think we're gonna go check out for some African food.
Yeah, but
and fingers crossed.
yeah, but we're gonna close off this vlog, and whatever we do for the rest of the day, you'll see in the next vlog. Alright, so thank you guys for watching and hope you enjoy this little market tour out here in Sydney, Australia. Yeah man, so thank you guys.
Thanks,
and catch
guys.
you in the next one.
Big up, big up, big up!
You know the vibes.
Let's get it.
Yeah man, little Bobo there, you know, a snack. Yeah man, so
He's smiling.
peace
That's
out.
a good peace out.